All right, so I just want to give you a little kind of background as to what we are going to be doing in this course. You're going to learn how to make a Google Classroom and figure out all of its features. So it's an introductory course. Hopefully you don't have too much experience here, and we're going to get you prepared for this upcoming school year where we will be online. The students will need some computer experience as well as having a lesson plan prepared to put online. So we're going to learn how to build a safe online community where students collaborate with each other and receive regular and impactful feedback, how to create a Google Classroom, how to create quizzes, post videos and worksheets, among other things on their Google Classroom, how to establish clear communication among teachers, students, and parents, how to teach a lesson digitally that is engaging and allows the students the opportunity to practice new material with peers and independently, how to choose appropriate online tools with which to deliver your instruction. And as you can see, it's aligned with the standards from the ISTE.